Note down the details, understanding the phrase. Hey there, language learners! Today, we're diving into the word note and the different ways it's used in English. This little word has quite a few meanings, so let's unpack them together. The word note can be a noun referring to a brief written record or reminder. For instance, you might leave a note for someone on the fridge saying, "Don't forget the milk." It can also refer to a short and formal letter, a musical sound or tone, and even a specific level of care in certain contexts. For example, I wrote a note to my teacher explaining my absence. The singer hit a high note during the performance. The patient was on a note for constant observation. As a verb, note means to observe or record something, typically in writing. For example, please note the change in the schedule. He noted down the details in his diary. When you're asked to note something, it's an invitation to pay special attention to it. There are several idiomatic expressions and phrases in English that utilize the word note. Here are a few. Take note. This means to pay careful attention. E.g., you should take note of the professor's comments. On that note, this phrase is often used to transition in conversation, usually after a relevant remark. E.g., on that note, let's move to our next topic. Of note, this means that something is worthy of attention or significant. E.g., the only item of note in the meeting was the budget increase. There you have it. The word note is versatile and appears in various contexts in English. Whether you're jotting down a quick reminder or observing something significant, this word will surely come in handy. Hope this breakdown was helpful. Keep noting down your progress, and I'll see you in the next video.